Welcome back once again to our channel Motion Trainer. Abuse allegations against Amber Heard and Johnny Depp are being played out in many ways. Their most recent legal squabble is an AUD 68 million defamation suit filed by Depp, who claims Heard defamed him in a December 2018 Washington Post opinion piece about being a survivor of domestic abuse. When their 4-year marriage ended in divorce in May 2016, Heard sought a temporary restraining order and claimed verbal and physical abuse from Depp in a court declaration. In the 6 years since, there have been avalanches of allegations on both sides and numerous lawsuits and trials in which the disturbing details of the relationship have been broadcast around the world. So here we are, giving you a quick recap of their court case. But before we get into it, make sure to smash the subscribe button to never miss out on more videos like this. Here we go! Depp and Heard began dating in 2012, after meeting on the set of their 2011 film, The Rum Diary. In 2015, they married in a civil ceremony. In mid-2016, Heard filed for divorce from Depp. The press obtained court documents from the settlement at the time, revealing Heard was seeking a temporary restraining order against Depp, accusing him of verbal and physical abuse following a drunken argument in their Los Angeles apartment. According to court documents, Depp became extremely enraged, hurling a phone at Heard, 35, and striking her cheek and eye with extreme force. Depp, 58, has vehemently denied and continues to deny the allegations, and no charges have been filed against him. In August 2016, the former couple settled their divorce and the domestic abuse case against Depp after Heard withdrew her request for a temporary restraining order. As part of the settlement, Depp agreed to pay Heard $7 million, which she divided equally between two charities. In December 2018, the Washington Post published her op-ed about her experience with domestic abuse. Though she did not name Depp, Heard did reveal what happened when she became a public figure representing domestic abuse and was left to face the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. Depp filed a defamation suit against Heard in early 2019, claiming that her op-ed was based on the central premise that Ms. Heard was a domestic abuse victim and that Mr. Depp perpetrated domestic violence against her. It comes after Depp lost a similar defamation case against news group newspapers, the publishers of The Sun in the UK. Dan Wooten, the executive editor of The Sun, wrote an article in 2018 that referred to Depp as a wife-beater in the headline. A judge ruled that the article's content was substantially true after a 16-day trial in July 2021. What about the defamation suit in America? Depp's multi-million-dollar defamation lawsuit against Heard was filed in Virginia on April 11, 2022. Depp's attorneys claim Heard's 2018 article falsely implies Depp physically and sexually abused her during their marriage, even though he is not named. According to Depp, the accusations have made it difficult for him to land roles that he previously had. Aside from the ex-couple, high-profile witnesses such as James Franco, Paul Bettany, and Elon Musk are scheduled to testify during the jury trial. In her defense, Heard's attorneys are expected to argue that she should be immune from the libel suit due to a Virginia law known as the anti-SLAPP provision, strategic lawsuit against public participation. The provision is intended to protect people from libel lawsuits when they speak out on public issues. Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, argued that the article addresses a serious public concern preventing domestic violence. The actress has also filed a counterclaim for defamation, which will be decided during the trial. The first week of the trial was devoted to Depp's testimony, which included testimony from his sister, Laurel Anderson, the former couples therapist, and addiction specialist Dr. David Kipper. The witnesses testified that they were aware of the couple's disputes, but had not seen Depp physically abuse Heard. The case is being brought in Virginia rather than California, where the actors live, because the Washington Post's online editions are published through servers in Fairfax County. It is expected to last 6 weeks. The actor has finished 4 days of difficult questioning by his and Heard's legal teams. Depp's lawyer played an audio recording in which Heard suggested that if Depp came forward with domestic violence allegations, no one would believe him. "Tell the world," Heard says on the recording. "Tell them, Johnny Depp, I'm a man, I've experienced domestic violence, and I know it's a fair fight, and see how many people believe or side with you." Throughout the 4 days, Depp maintained that he never struck Heard and was contesting her allegations to protect his children from false information about his behavior. The court was shown text messages during the trial in which Depp used vulgar language and described ways he wished he could exact revenge on Heard, including an exchange between Depp and British actor Paul Bettany. They talked about burning Heard and desecrating her body. Curry's lawyers questioned her on cross-examination for potential bias, pointing out that she had dinner and drinks with Depp and his lawyers at Depp's house before being hired. This is it. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.